Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, bottom frame, fan, and system board. Removal. Disconnect the RTC battery cable from its connector on the system board. Turn the system board over. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the RTC battery from the adhesive that secures it to the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the RTC battery.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.